everyone, and welcome to day 172 of the Feathered Quest. Today's bird of the day is the Evening Grosbeak. In winter, they crush seeds like pros, but come summer, they switch to insects like spruce budworms, tiny caterpillars that can devastate forests. The grosbeak's arrival can even signal an outbreak is on the way. Let's go find that daily feather. Well, thanks for coming along with me today, guys. Remember, you are loved and the world is full of wonder. So, did we find our bird of the day?